Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial, we are going to learn about how we can add the invitation link or address link in invitation card in Canva. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. So let me search templates, invitation templates. Okay, so here we have some invitation. I just open it. Okay, invitation card. Let me. Okay, so I have this invitation card and I have here address also. So what we need to do, just go to the Google map and search that address and open it like this. Okay, and copy that. Go that address. If okay, just search address here and open that address, then like this, and go to the share and copy that address link from here, and you need to just select that all address like this. Go to this three dot option, go to the link and paste that link here and just done. Now you can see this address has been linked now, or anyone click on this, it will be directly redirect to Google map to your address. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.